What's up, fellas? Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to wheelie a Honda three-wheeler like this. Okay, first you want to find a long place where you can do this. And if you're new to this, put one knee on the seat. This will help control your balance before you start sitting down. So you start in first gear and just pull up like that. This will help you control your balance. If you want to take it up a notch, you go into second gear. A little bit harder to control, but once you master second gear, you can go into third. After third, you click it into fourth. You gotta get some speed for fourth gear though. If you were able to figure out the balance control, you can move on to sit down wheelies now. So starting first and go where like a place is like on an uphill, so it's easier to pop your front end up. Shifting the first, lean forward, pop it up like that, and then lightly tap the throttle to keep your balancing point at peak. And I'm keeping my arms locked. Now you can do it in like flatter areas. Okay, if you're veering off to the side like I am, that means you have a flat tire. So my right tire is flatter than my left. So it's pulling, the flat tire is pulling me to the right. Now you can do second gear wheelies. You gotta get like a running start for them. It's kind of harder to keep the balance up, but you're going a lot faster now, so. Take up the third, and get a little more speed. And then once you get really good, you can start doing combos like this. Feet on the bars, feet on one side. I go from sit down like this, all in a wheelie. Thanks for watching, guys. If you could leave a like, that'd be amazing. Alright, peace.